Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Instagram account from old phone to new phone. Let's dive right in. All right, let's get started with your old phone. Open the Instagram app and head down to the bottom right profile button of the screen. Then click on the top right corner 3 lines button. Scroll all the way down until you see the logout option. Before logging out, make sure you remember your login details, your email, username, and password, especially if you have multiple accounts. Today, we're logging out of just this account, so go ahead and tap Log Out and confirm. Now that you're logged out on your old phone, grab your new phone and open the Instagram app. Simply enter your login information, your email, username, and password. After logging in, Instagram will pull up your account and you'll be ready to continue using it on your new device. And that's how you transfer Instagram account from old phone to new phone. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.